Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you today about daffodils, and these are some of my favorite varieties. They're called Double Daffodils, and they're absolutely amazing. So the reason why I love these Double Daffodils is because they have a really long vase life, and they almost look like peonies. They come in all different shapes and colors, and they're really stand out in a bouquet, either by themselves with the same color or mixed with other ones. I love planting daffodils in different color groupings. So they look really great when they're all together in one bunch, one color, but they also look super pretty when there's a whole different variety of them. So we've got some really bright double daffies here, mixed in with some, almost like a bicolor daffy. It has kind of like the whitish and the yellow mixed together. Really pretty combination in the field and in the vase. I wanted to show you what these look like on one of our flower rows. We have these all over the farm, and we have them in all different colors. So basically, like I said, they look almost peony-like. They've got these double, triple blooms, and they're very different from the single cup daffodils that we have that I love also. But these guys just seem to have a longer vase life, and they're great for commercial growers and residential growers alike because they ship really well. And when you ship them, what you're going to want to do is to cut them. If you're a shipper, or even if you're a residential grower and you just want to have these in a vase for a longer amount of time, you're going to cut them at this stage because it's going to give you a longer vase life. They're just about ready to lift open. You could tell if you go like this gently, you can tell that the petal is easy to lift. If the petals are still tight in there, they're not quite ready to be cut. And basically you're going to leave these green leaves intact, because daffodils need these green leaves to continue to do photosynthesis to feed the plant for next year's growth. So if you cut all these green leaves off, you're going to have no food source for them for the winter, and they're going to wind up not coming back as full, or they might not even come back the next year. So make sure you leave the green leaves intact when you cut them. And that's the best stage to cut them at, is when they're just about ready to be open. And this guy I'm going to put right in fresh water, and I'm going to wind up putting him right into the refrigerator to kind of give them a chill and to keep them nice and preserved at this stage. If you cut them at this stage, number one, they're not going to ship well because they're going to get all beat up and they're going to get all bruised. And so they're not going to ship well, and they're also going to probably fall apart. And they're only going to have a few days of vase life because this is already towards the end of this plant's life. So you want to get it at that really tight stage, not, when it's just about ready to lift open. Enjoy your daffodils, guys, and have a great day.